Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we have your X-Men Highrollers. Let's go! Okay, so we have here 3 figures from the X-Men Highrollers OP kit. We have Multiple Man, Wolverine, and Kitty Pryde. Okay, so let's take a look at the items, starting off with the Multiple Man. Okay, so this particular item I got from eBay. Okay, so you can see that the card is a bit bent, which is typical for OP kit figures, which is fine. And we have here Multiple Man, MVHR Marvel High Roller 24-001, 002 rather, Hydra Shield Exports X-Men Detective Spy keywords, and a trait Multiple Man Dogpile. When Multiple Man attacks, he rolls the Madrox die. This is the Madrox die, and it's just a regular die, okay, with the aesthetic of Madrox. Okay. He rolls the Madrox die in addition to the 2d6 for the attack and may replace a die in the attack roll with the Madrox dice result. So basically, you're rolling 3 dice instead of 2. Okay, and if he doesn't, friendly characters named Multiple Man, Madrox, or Jimmy Madrox can use Empower for this attack. Okay, so if you rolled high in the original 2d6, then it gives an incentive that other Multiple Men have Empower. And he also has a second trait, which is Kinetic Duplication. When Multiple Man is hit, after resolutions generate a Multiple Man bystander, this one. This game, that bystander can use the Multiple Man Dogpile trait. So meaning, he can do this shenanigan. Okay. The Multiple Man bystander is 4 sidestep, 10 precision strike, 0 damage with shape change. Okay, but the precision strike ensures at least 1 damage. James Madrox is the real name, Uncanny X-Men 405. Is a significant appearance. So this sculpt of Multiple Man has been used a lot in the Deadpool Weapon X set. Now it's become an LE figure. The second figure we're going to look at is our favorite X-Men of all time, which is Wolverine. Okay. So similar sculpt as well from the Deadpool Weapon X, but this one, the set number is WHR24-003 Alpha Flight X-Men Animal Warrior with the X-Men team ability and a trait. Just ain't your day, is it? Take a look at that sculpt. It's a unique figure. When Wolverine is KO'd, instead of removing him from the game, turn into click number 1 and place him on his card. He's still scored. That's a bit unfortunate. Until he leaves his card, he has, at the beginning of your turn, Wolverine may roll a d6. 6. Generate Wolverine from this card adjacent to an opposing character. Okay, so the beauty is that when you generate him, any opposing character adjacent to that, so even if the character is hiding at the back or at the end of the map, you can still place him adjacent to that, and he has Flurry. Okay, so he also has a special attack power, Nice Move, I've got better. Blaze Claw's Fangs, when Wolverine uses it, if the hit target damage him since your last turn, increase the damage dealt by +1. Okay, and a special defense power, I'll get better. Regeneration, super, same senses from James Howlett. Okay, would have loved it if those powers are on the first click. Okay, because having it on the second click is a bit hard to activate. Okay, well, but 40 points, for 40 points, that is totally amazing. Okay. And the last one we have, and the one I'm most excited about, is the Kitty Pryde LE. Okay, why am I excited? Let's take a look. This is Highrollers 24-001, X-Men Team Ability, Excalibur, Guardians of the Galaxy, X-Men, and martial artists, and special defense power, group facing super senses. When Kitty Pryde uses it and succeeds, adjacent friendly characters also evade the attack protected pulse wave. So, and you can notice she is not unique, so you can use 4 or more Kitty Pryde, and all of them, each one of them will roll these super senses. So if they're clustered together, 4 chances for you to miss an attack as a group. Okay, and you can also do this during a pulse wave attack because it's protected pulse wave. Okay. Special damage power is Kurt. We need evac. Leadership. When Kitty Pryde uses it, after resolutions, choose 2 friendly characters with the X-Men keyword. If at least one of them is Kitty Pryde or is adjacent to Kitty Pryde, place the chosen characters in each other's squares. So, and that's on the beginning of the dial and at the end, which is really good, meaning you can already use this. And the good thing about this is the way it's worded. When Kitty Pryde uses leadership, so she doesn't need to succeed with leadership, she just need to use it. So that means she's gonna be swapping characters from each other's squares. Okay, and for X-Men that can mean a lot. Okay, you can have your attacker at the end of your map and then move Kitty Pryde up. Okay, in the next turn you can roll for leadership and swap a character. Okay, you probably need to carry someone, another X-Men, if you want to maximize Kitty Pryde's ability that way. Okay, so perhaps 2 Kitty Pryde, another Kitty Pryde you might want to carry. Okay, and of course we love this figure because it's a new sculpt for Kitty Pryde. Okay, been so long since we have a Kitty Pryde in Heroclix. Okay, and she's wearing the student costume. I think this is more of the headmaster for her. Okay, not so sure. Let's take a look. Catherine Pryde, X-Men Gold 2 is the significant appearance. Okay, so anyway, what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments about this high roller OP kit. Bye bye.